Now then. I'm on the A177. It's the road going into Stockton. So this is the route I take when I go to that cheese place. Yeah, I forgot what it's called now. Anyway, I'm not going in there. I'm driving for the company I work for now. I'm just heading into Stockton. I've got a load of boards to drop off. They're strapped up on the back. I'll have to high up them off and then give the guy a hand and to finish off boarding inside the building that we're doing. It's a absolutely knackered old derelict pub. They're going to lift the roof, do it up, flats on the top, shops on the bottom. That's the cheese place there on the right. This is it. I would normally turn right into there when I was driving for Fowler's. Well, driving through an agency for Fowler's, should I say. I've been down here doing this one for about 5 days or something. I haven't had a day off. I had my birthday off and the Sunday, and then I've worked every day since. Oh, triple school at the long weekend. Scrap all that. So it's optional whether you want to work weekends or not. So I worked last weekend. It's Monday today. I worked Saturday, Sunday, 2 full days. But you can't knock it back. But I'm having bank holiday weekend off the whole Saturday, Sunday, Monday. That'll be nice. Speed camera just here. There you go. Yeah, I've been up and down here for about 5-6 days now doing this job. It's been okay. Interesting, definitely. Didn't knackers like the bridge work I did down in Peterborough. Although that job's coming back up to strip it down again. And they're saying would it be better doing it all on nights, getting it straight onto the wagon, or day shift and then me go down pick it up on nights. So it doesn't make any difference to me because I know I'll be doing the nights, because I can't get in there unless the road's closed for the size of this. And that'll be a couple of weeks time. Look forward to that. 3-4 days away. Decent wedge, that's for sure. I had spent hundreds, and I mean hundreds, on the van and went through its MOT. I've just not had a minute to fix it up from when I had that diesel spill, and I've been grafting. But this weekend I'm going to do a few things to it, modifying it a little bit inside. There's no leak or anything like that, but when I put it through its MOT, need 2 new tyres, so it's like 140 quid. Suspension, something the matter with that. There was something the matter with the ball joint thing, blah de blah de blah. The list went on. So it's like over 500 quid worth of gear, including the MOT, unfortunately. But like I say, I work this weekend. Just about covered it. Just a bit annoying, but it's running great. It's running smashing. So I'm going to run through the winter, keep ahead of it. I might as well take that money out of it in other ways by getting away even through the winter. So I'm focusing on doing a few bits and bobs inside it, renovating it again, but not too much. I like the bed where it is. I like how it's done. I might see if I can get some sliders to pull the bed out slightly easier. I'm going to do the bench, the seat that had the battery underneath, I'm going to bring that right the way along to the door. So more of a sofa, you know. It's a big petrol station. I can't get in it. So yeah, I'll do a bit of vlogging on that as well. I know it's been very quiet throughout it, the van and things like that, but totally got this up when I had to strip it all down inside. Oh, absolutely gutted, but we go again. Like I say, I've got the full weekend off. It's the other half's birthday on Monday, so we're out Sunday night. So I've got 2 days because she's working Saturday, Sunday, and I might as well just crack on with that. Go something nice. A lot easier coming into this job. It's if I'm coming off the 19, but with us working in Durham, just there doing some stuff, which a no-brainer. Having to come in this way, it's just a bit drag. Right, well, I shall catch you a little bit further down. Well, not further down, probably when I'm heading off. Kind of filling the sites I'm working on, unfortunately. Oh my god, I'm catching everything. My god, the time pad didn't give her a heart attack crossing the road. What's her knacker? Brat. Keep big beard Baracus gold necklace on as well. Double prat. He's got a gun for it. Idiot. That was a shift and a half. I've just left Stockton now, and the time is 5:30, so I'm not going to get back until 20 to 7 back in the yard. So it's a 12-hour shift today. Long one, like. Pretty physical, this one. A lot of stuff getting passed up through a epoxy little window as well, because I have to put a new sort of like load of boards in. There's a temporary floor or something like that. Wow. A177. It's rush hour, of course. Probably just get the tail end of it by the time I get down to Washington, but it'll still be a bit messy. It is what it is. Catches up the hill. That's something you don't see every day. Oh.